Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome to our weekly wellness education series. My name is Stephanie Hilgendorf, Diamond Wellness Advocate with doTERRA, and I am so happy to be with you today. I just love a lot of our cleaning products that are clean, that actually work. And I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that you can maybe be creative with some of these things, and show you what I use in my normal everyday life. So, why is it so hard to clean sometimes? Sometimes we hear things from the world about, all of these extra things are so toxic and they're so bad to have in your home and your environment, and your body takes them in. And, that's true. And then also, it just seems sometimes we're so busy and it's so overwhelming and so daunting that it gets overwhelming. So it's just like you're put in this analysis paralysis. Like, what do I do first? So for me, it's one thing every day. Just do one thing, even if it's just wiping down the counter in my bathroom or, cleaning while I am in the shower. It's kind of one of those things where I do it where I can, but life just sometimes gets so crazy. But it is nice to know that I have these clean products that are not toxic, that actually work and that are really good. So let's start with laundry. Okay, we have two options. We actually have two cleaning lines. We have our On Guard product, which is our On Guard line, is all of our products that have the On Guard essential oil in it as the base or as part of the product. We have, I'll show you online where to find it. But talking laundry detergent, this was our original. As you can see, I'm about to open up my next bottle. But this is our On Guard laundry detergent. So it's only a 32-ounce bottle, so it's not very big. A little goes a long way. It is extremely concentrated. Did you know that laundry detergents out there are, they're not very clean? They mostly just cover up the smell. They mostly just cover and mask with pretty flowers or whatever it is, whatever chemicals they put on it. Have you ever noticed that there's that one gym shirt that you put on that after it comes out of the laundry, it smells great, but as soon as you put it on again, it starts to stink? That's because old laundry detergents just mask it. They just cover it up. This actually gets to the root of it. This actually cleans at the deepest level possible. The other really cool thing is that this may seem like a really small bottle, but this has up to 64 loads that you can have in here. And the whole bottle includes 10 milliliters of essential oil in it as well. Because it has a lot of the cleaning properties of the essential oils in it, it really cuts to the deep of what your clothes actually need. So if you have a high efficiency washer, it's just 1/4 of a capful, and you can kind of see in there, you just kind of eyeball it. Or what we do sometimes is we have a tablespoon. 1 tablespoon is 1/4 cap of this. So we have a tablespoon that we use to measure it out appropriately. If you have a conventional washer, non-high efficiency, it's a half a capful with 2 tablespoons of the laundry detergent. Really, really good. Now, the other laundry or the other cleaning line that we have is our Abode cleaning line. So we have our Abode essential oil, and then we have a whole cleaning line of Abode. It's a little bit different. So On Guard is like the On Guard smell, the On Guard protective blend. Abode, it has a lot more of those cleaning properties as far as like, really helping with like mold, mildew, and really getting at that. And then they came up with laundry pods. We have laundry pods now, which is really, really cool. I love our laundry pods because you just throw one into your laundry. If you have a really big load, you can do 2 of these laundry pods. Another thing that I've done is that I've had one laundry pod and maybe just a tinge of this if it's a really big load, but I don't want to do 2 laundry pods. So I do one laundry pod and then maybe a little splash of the On Guard laundry detergent. So I've done both. All of my mildewy towels, all of my, things that just have that extra stink, this right here. Okay. So another really fun thing that you can do, I made this really cute container for them to go in. See? And then it's really kind of fun. You have the laundry pods and they have little clothes on them. So because we have dishwasher pods too. So which ones are for dishes and which ones are for laundry. So the Best way to use these is to put them in before you put your clothes. If you fill your washer too much, the laundry pod might get stuck within, and that's just a general cleaning thing. Don't overfill your washer or your clothes just won't get clean. The next thing I want to talk about when it comes to laundry is dryer sheets. They're probably the worst thing that you can do, having those in your home or your house. It coats your clothing. It doesn't do anything. The reason why the static cling goes away is because it's coating your clothing with this toxic whatever, and then you're putting your clothing on your body, and your body is then seeping that in. The other thing is because it coats your clothing, it's also coating the lint trap. Okay, so the lint trap is there to help trap the lint, which means there needs to be an airflow going through that lint trap. If you have these dryer sheets, you are now coating that lint trap, which means air is not properly flowing. Even if you take the lint off, it's coating it. Those fibers are really, really small. It's now coating it so the airflow is not there, which makes it overheat, which is now making you susceptible to a fire. I don't know if you knew that because then all of the other little lint is there, and that's just great kindling to start something not so good. So here's what I do. Dryer balls. I need to get new ones. These ones are just fine, but I take abode oil or purify oil or Air X or lemon or lavender or whatever you want to. You just put a few drops on a dryer ball and you stick about 3 to 4 in your laundry. It helps your clothes dry faster because these balls are banging all the way around. Now, you may say, well, my clothes are extra staticky when they come out. I need the dryer. No, you don't need the dryer sheet. Put a safety pin on the dryer ball, and every time it hits the wall, it decharges it. Okay. The other thing is you're probably over drying your clothes. Whenever you have extra static, they're over dried. Okay. I don't have that problem here in the summers in Michigan because it is extra humid all of the time. But in the winter time, I notice that when there's extra static, it's because I've hit the refresh on the dryer over and over and over again, which means my clothes have been dried for a long time and I just get extra staticky. So just kind of keep those things in mind as well. So the next thing we're going to talk about is dishwasher. So the same kind of, these are the laundry cards. They come in the same size as this, but this is just my little small bag that I got when we originally had started convention. When these were first released, we got these little sample bags, right? So dishwasher pods. I mean, fantastic. We don't have to use all of the extra chemically stuff. Now, these are, I've heard it depends on the dishwasher that you have, if these work great or if they just work okay. So I say try it. Why not? What's the worst thing that can happen? You find out you don't like them. Oh, well, then you have these to use for a toilet bowl cleaner. Non-toxic toilet bowl cleaner. I just stick one of these dishwasher pods into my toilet, and then I take my toilet brush and rinse it around, wash it around. It works super well. So you can use these as toilet bowl cleaners or as dishwasher pods. Two purposes, one thing. Oh, I also forgot to mention laundry pods. These make it so easy for travel. Just stick a few in a baggie, and as you're traveling, if you need to use the laundry, you just have those pods ready to go. What's next? Dishwashing. We just talked about dishwasher pods. Now, what about dishwashers for your sink? Washing. This liquid hand or this dish soap, because the abode is in it and the powerful essential oils that are in it, it cuts through grease and grime like I have seen nothing else do. You know, Dawn is one of those that's always really great. This I feel like is better than that. And it's all natural and it is so good. And a little bit goes a long way. I've even taken this and put it in these little small bottles and taken it traveling with me because as I'm doing dishes on the go, I always have like my little shaker cups or my little Starbucks cups that I have that I always travel with, even, you know, just makes me feel comfortable when I have things that I really know. And I have my little dish soap with me. This stuff is amazing. And I'll show you the different, there's a couple of different options of what you can put this in as far as like the pump. I just have it sitting on my countertop, but this is one of my most favorite things in the entire world. So just know I love this. They do come in, this is aluminum. So sometimes there may be some dings on this, but just know that they won't send it out if it's still not totally and completely usable. So if it's a little ding, we're just trying to be better for the environment with this that you can recycle after you're done using it. You can easily just throw this in with all of your recyclables. And yeah, so there you go. Last but certainly not least is our surface spray. You can use this on windows, walls, toilets, kitchen countertops, kitchen sinks, bathroom sinks, showers. This is my all-purpose cleaning spray. We have, again, two options. Now, if you need something that is super cost effective, less than $1.50, less than your dollar store cleaners, keep that in mind, less than $1.50 per bottle, this spray bottle right here, we have our On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. This is amazing. 2 tablespoons for just regular all-purpose cleaning, 3 tablespoons for like dish soap if you wanted to substitute this for dish soap, or if you needed bathroom cleaners, 3 tablespoons for every 16, I think, ounces of water. No, multi-purpose cleaner, 2 tablespoons for every 24 ounces of water. I mean, come on. Little goes a long way. 3 tablespoons in a gallon of water for dishwashing, and then 3 tablespoons of concentrate for a 24-ounce bottle. It's great for tough jobs. This is a 12-ounce bottle, which means that this is like, it literally is, and it ends up being like $1.50, less than $1.50 per one of these bottles. You just put it in a spray bottle. We also have, there was a problem with the spray bottle that we had been selling with doTERRA, but they've revamped that. And so I'm going to be trying that one. I'm putting that one on my next order. But this is, you know, a great, I mean, I just put like, I eyeball it now, just put a little squirt in there and I put it in here, shake it up, and I am good to clean whatever with this. You can use paper towels, you can use microfiber cloths, whatever you feel like you need. But this is seriously one of my money saving hacks, is using the On Guard cleaner. If you need something that's going to cut, that needs to cut through more grease and grime, you can get the Abode multi-purpose cleaner. This one's a little bit more expensive. I want to say this is like $7 or $8 for this small bottle. But this is, I think you can get two 24-ounce bottles out of this one. This one is glass, 1 part concentrate to 9 parts purified water. So I sometimes, so that way if I want the grease and grime cutting benefits of the Abode cleaner, I will do half of a bottle with this in here with 1 tablespoon of this. So I kind of do half and half. Or sometimes if I need a little bit more of this, I kind of like eyeball and play back and forth. But that way I can get some of the benefits of the On Guard or the Abode spray, the multi-purpose cleaner. And then I also have the On Guard as well. That way I'm keeping my costs down, but getting what I need. So I know if I'm going to be doing a lot of like oven cleaning, or you know, when you have above in your kitchen, above your stove, and all of that vent grime yumminess is there, I would do more of the Abode when it comes to that. So that is our Abode and On Guard cleaner. We also have all of our like hand washes. So we have Abode and Citrus Bloom foaming hand wash and a concentrate. We also have our On Guard hand wash, our foaming hand wash. We have that just as a regular, you know, just dump it in your foaming hand wash dispenser, or we have that in a concentrate in an aluminum bottle as well. Let me see if there was any other things that I forgot. No. So that's what I love about all of the doTERRA things. Now I'm going to show you how to find it on the doTERRA website. So here we go. Can you guys see? Can you guys? Yes, I think you can see that. All right. So here we are on doTERRA. Just went to doTERRA.com. I signed in. And we're going to go to where it says shop. Just click on shop. And you're going to scroll down. And you're going to arrow over Oh, I missed it. Home cleaning. This is going to have all of the Abode products that we have, the Abode line. So we have the Abode essential oil that you can add to your dryer balls. We even have this little dishwashing. It's called the Bubble Up. It's got this awesome little tray in it where it'll drain the water. But then you can use that as a scrubby. This hand wash dispenser they're reworking it. These modular trays are great. They're 2 trays. And as you see here, you've got the different dispensers for everything. So the Abode multi-purpose 4-pack is right here. We have the dishwasher pods. We have the Abode with Citrus Bloom hand wash. We have the Abode dish soap dispenser. So this one is glass, it's great. It has like a little pour thing on it, but I love the pump. So it has both heads on it, depending on which one you like. Or you can just find your favorite thing on Amazon. We have our hand lotion dispenser. We don't have hand lotion right now. It was discontinued, but I have a feeling they're bringing something back. I'll show you a different option for a hand wash dispenser. Laundry pods, these are my favorite, and this dish soap, absolutely my favorite. Every once in a while, this will go out of stock, so I just kind of stock up when I can. And like I said, a little goes a long way for the dish soap. And then we have the multi-purpose surface cleaner concentrate. It's $9.25 by itself, but if you buy it in the 4-pack, it is definitely a better deal. And then this is the new spray dispenser. So I'm going to try this on my next order. Sometimes it's really hard, especially on Amazon, to find really good spray bottles. So this is a good one. I've heard a lot of good things when they've reworked it, that this one is definitely better. So this is all of the Abode cleaning options. And then if you go back to shop, and if we go, let's see here. We have the On Guard line here, On Guard products. Okay. So we're going to have mixed in here all of our On Guard oils and things. But here is the hand wash concentrate. So this you're going to mix with water. This one in the orange bottle or the aluminum can, you're going to mix with water, and it'll have the dimensions or the measurements on the back of the bottle. I want to say you can get probably about 4 foaming hand wash worth out of it, which is, it's great. Then we have our cleaner concentrate. Again, ends up being like $1.50 for your 24-ounce spray bottle. Then we have our foaming hand wash. This is a great little hand wash dispenser, super aesthetic, and it works really well. You have the On Guard foaming hand wash. These ones right here, this one in the 1-pack or the 2-pack, these are refills. You just fill it directly into the hand wash dispenser. You don't need to dilute it down. I do know some people that still like to dilute it down to make it go a little bit further, but these ones you don't necessarily need to. The other one that we had up above, that is the one, it is a concentrate, so you don't want to fill directly. You want to dilute that one down with water. Then we have our laundry detergent here. And then, and I forgot to talk about these sanitizing hand wipes. You can use them on your hands. You can use them while you're traveling. You can use them like they're wipes for your countertops. They're all sorts of fantastic. So that is our cleaning class today. If you have any questions, just go ahead and drop them in the comments, or if you're watching this on the replay, go ahead and drop your comments and I will go ahead and respond. And you guys all have a fabulous spring cleaning day.